The Z Fold 7 versus the Z Fold 6. Shout out to the Galax on Twitter for posting these images. So shout out to Anthony. But of course, as I said a million times, don't buy the Z Fold 7. Wait to Z Fold 8. It's not worth it. But if you are thinking about upgrading, I will say this is more of an upgrade, what it looks like, than we have seen from other cell phones out there. Like, if for other Z Fold yearly releases, this does look a little bit better. So obviously, again, size-wise, it's going to be bigger on the Z Fold 7 because Z Fold 7 has a bigger inside display. Has the same exact battery, but a bigger inside display, which that's another factor that people really are concerned about. Rightfully so, by the way, is that it has the same exact battery as the Z Fold 6, but it has a bigger inside display with a more powerful chip. So, just take that in for a second. It's a more powerful chip and a bigger inside display with the same battery as Z Fold 6. There's going to be someone out there who does a battery test of the Z Fold 7 and comes back with results like, this is absolutely atrocious battery-wise. There's just no way. Now, again, maybe Samsung has some types of, magic formula to get the battery to be still amazing on the Z Fold 7, even though the Z Fold 6 has the same battery. I don't know. With that being said, though, the bezels do look really good. They're already super thin on the Z Fold 6, but the Z Fold 7, they're even thinner somehow. You can also see the hinge is a little bit thinner as well, so it's small, little minuscule details. But what I will say is throughout the last couple years when it comes to upgrades of the Z Fold series, there really hasn't been much upgrades. I mean, it got so bad at one point that even the Samsung representatives, Samsung employees, said that the Z Fold 5 was just a Z Fold 4S. Like, that was from a Samsung employee themselves. They were making fun of it, saying it wasn't an upgrade. So, is this much of an upgrade? To a certain degree, no, but it's more than we normally get, so just wait till the Z Fold 8. That's all I gotta say. Right now, we are seeing phones come out with really crazy size batteries in these foldable cell phones, and Samsung is still waiting to give us a big foldable cell phone battery. They're trying to copy and paste last year. Eventually, they're going to have to add a huge battery in it. And I think that's going to be the Z Fold 8 when the OnePlus Open 2 comes out. And when we see the Google Pixel 11 Pro Fold come out. That's what I think Samsung's going to pull the trigger on that. So, I'd wait. Again, I can only give my thoughts and opinions. Everyone's going to have their own thoughts and opinions on this. But see you guys next one, though. Peace out.